Hey everyone, if you want to synchronize files between devices using Syncthing, you'll need to share folders with the devices you want to connect. In this video, I'll show you how to share folders in Syncthing from start to finish in 2026. First, make sure Syncthing is installed, running, and that your devices are already connected to one another. Folder sharing only works after devices have been successfully paired. Once you've chosen the desired devices, save the folder configuration. Syncthing will immediately send folder sharing invitations to the selected devices. Switch to one of the receiving devices and open the Syncthing dashboard. You should see a notification indicating that a folder has been shared with you. Review the folder details carefully, including the folder name and the device that initiated the share. Choose the local destination where the synchronized files should be stored on the receiving device. And that's how to share folders in Syncthing in 2026. With secure device connections and flexible sharing options, Syncthing makes it easy to keep files synchronized across all your devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.